it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. I hope you're having a good day so far today. Today I've got a slightly different video because we've got a new catalogue. So we've also, quite surprisingly, got a new joining offer. And I thought I would just go through some of the questions that I often get asked about joining offers. So let me flip the camera down and we'll have a look at my pile of goodies here. So I have pulled out all the goodies that are part of the current joining offer. So if you join any time until the end of May 2024, in addition to your usual £130 of product or €175 of product for £99 or €129. So £99, £130 of product, €129 for €175 of product. That includes free shipping. So in addition to that, and you get to choose whatever you want to put in that starter kit, so long as it's no more than £130 or €175. But don't choose the new in colour Stampin' Right markers, the new in colour designer series paper, the new in colour cardstock, or the new in colour inks, because they will be included anyway. The value of these is £78.25 or €100. That's on top of your £130 and €175. You also get some catalogues and some other bits and pieces that would be great if you wanted to share the fantastic offer with other people. So, questions I often get asked. Do I have to sell? No, you don't. But if you do share the Stampin' Up products with other people, then it helps you in the long run, because every quarter other than your first, and we'll come on to that, but every quarter other than your first, you are required to either buy for yourself or sell. We have an internal currency. I'll do it in the nearest equivalent of sterling, so pounds. So it's about £270 worth of product, but that's catalogue value. So as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you get a minimum of 20% discount. So you would take that 20% off the £270, and that would be the cost every 3 months in order to continue as a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Now, if some of your friends and family are also crafters and they want to buy some stuff, then that eats into that £270. So if someone wanted £100 worth of product, you would only have to buy for yourself £170 of product in order to maintain your demonstrator discount. The first quarter gets excluded from that, because obviously if you're joining in halfway through a quarter or even partway through a quarter, to expect you to hit a minimum for a quarter is pretty tough. So if, for example, you were to join on the 1st of January, you would have until the end of June to hit that £270 value. Although actually you'd get another month, because Stampin' Up are generous and they give you an extra month to make it up if you need it. So if you join in May, you get until the end of June, July, August, September. So you get until the end of September, plus you get the extra month, so the end of October, which means you can buy Christmas and autumn products at a discount. Yay! So you don't have to run it as a business. If you just want to buy for yourself and make the most of that discount, that is fine. And if when you've had the starter kit you decide it's not for you, that's fine too. You keep the starter kit and you just stop being a demonstrator and start being a customer again. So it's really easy. There's no pressure from Stampin' Up. I mean, they'll remind you if you're short of in a quarter. Equally, I will remind you if you're short in a quarter, but it's only a reminder. It's not a you must make up the amount. So there's no pressure. But what it does mean is you not only get a discount, you get to be part of a team with like-minded people. You get to go to exclusive events. Some of them are virtual, so they're from your own home. Some of them are in person. So we've got on stage next year in France. Can't remember where, but France. So, and that's 3 days with seeing lots of new product, getting free product. I mean, it's an amazing event. You do have to pay to go, but it is an amazing event, and you get to know lots of people and feel as if you are really part of an amazing community. So those are the major benefits of being a demonstrator rather than a customer. Discount, you can start and stop as and when you want to, and if you do this in May, you get all of these goodies. Five stamp pads, and you get them free just for getting the starter kit. So I thought I would just share that with you. I'm going to post a link to this video on my website so you can have a look at more information there. However, if you are watching the video and you've got general questions, please do drop those in the comments below the video. And if you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. You can only join my team if you're in Europe, so that's France, Germany, Austria, the Netherlands, Belgium, Ireland and the UK. So otherwise, if you are outside of those regions, so if you're in North America, so the United States or Canada, or if you're in Australia or New Zealand, if you want some advice on who would be a good team leader, by all means ask the question and I can let you know who I would recommend. I would suggest you do that by a private message, so drop me an email. My contact details are on the website. It just means that I'm keeping that information private and people don't find out where you live and that sort of thing. But yes, I hope you take the plunge. There's no risk, just lots of benefits and fun. So I look forward to welcoming you to the Stamping Up family. I will see you very soon. I'm now struggling to find my end screen because I do have an end screen. There we are. Trouble is, without my glasses, I can't see it. Anyway, have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.